Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcoming you to Easy Money Show. Today, Nifty had a very flat closing, but then if you see Bank Nifty, there was a profit booking to the extent of 300 points, which is more or less a 1% correction. FIIs today have bought to the extent of 1500 crores, whereas DIIs have sold to the extent of 1175 crore. The key highlight of the day was RBI monetary policy. Yes, as per expectation, the RBI kept the repo rate unchanged at 4%, but however, it just did not do that. It continued the accommodative stance in the monetary policy till it is necessary. This is the word used by the RBI governor, and unanimously the committee decided to keep the rates unchanged. However, few more key points to see from RBI policy is the inflation projection. What they just forecasted for the coming year was somewhere at around 5.1%, which was as per expectation, and also the growth rate for financial year 21-22 is estimated to be around 9.5%, and all this says yes, economy will go back to normalcy once we ease this lockdown, and also we have coronavirus getting under control. I've told long way back, by first week of July people would have completely forgotten the entire episode of second wave of corona. But then the whole question is, if you are investing then, or if you are picking up the stocks at that point of time, you won't get at the prices where you got it before. And I'm sure today the stock check in our special chart check will be the stock which I told you today morning in our Easy Money Show. And let me give you the big learning, the big learning which I got from my guru of stock market. And I don't name him, for me he is Krishna of stock market. And he said, buy stocks which will go up even in a weak market. I repeat, buy stocks which will go up even in a weak market. That shows the strength of the stock what you have picked up, and it shows the hallmark for the capacity what you have in researching good stocks. Let me now show on screen the chart of this stock which I want to put it on your screen, and that is Adani Par. And look at this stock, Adani Par. Irrespective of market, see the strength of volume. There is a rise in volume happening with prices going up. And today people who attended my Zero to Millionaire program knows what I'm talking about, because they understand logically the power of chart reading. Just in day one, they've got these learnings in our ZTM program. And you can go to my Twitter handle without fail. I am Rudramurthy, which I've given in the description below, and look at the comments and feedbacks of people who have attended the program on the pin tweet, and these are feedback from their Twitter handle. It is not from my website, and it is not selected by me. It is given by their Twitter handle, and just see the experience share by these people. Now I want you to go closer to Adani Par. Even now still it has not achieved our targets. The previous higher levels which Adani Power has seen is exactly 108.70 paisa. So the stock has unfinished business at those levels of 108 rupees 70 paisa, and above this level of 108.70 the stock still has a long way to go. Now even people who entered today, you got a clear entry at the today's price. If you see today's low is 99 rupee 35 paisa. Even if you have got entry at 100 rupees, keep now your stop loss at your cost price and run the profit. Yes, initially first it will attempt that 108 to 109 zone, and if it closes way above 110, furthermore up move can be seen in Adani Power and still long way to go. This stock consolidated in this broad range. On the downside, the level was around 85 and on the upside, the level is around 100. So another 15 rupee move, if I take from the breakout zone, it can reach even 115 in a very short time, and you have to keep continuing holding great stocks provided they act according to the power of chart. If I see this up move to continue with rising volume, I will still hold the stock. Only thing is you have to reassess and see how the stock moves in future, and you have to look at stocks like this which gives you with tremendous amount of strength, and that is where more money and more value is done. And today I want each one of you to have the learnings of chart in detail. Wait for the weekend programs where in my profitable option series on weekend, I will give you new learnings especially related to options. And those of you who have not watched still profitable option, go to playlist and check out all programs which have been put under the heading profitable options. And also Twitter handle I am Rudramurthy. Go to pin tweet and see all the reply from the participants Twitter handle written about today's ZTM program. And I want each one of you to learn more so that you earn more. I'm sure Adani Power has given you a lot of profit, and there are some people who will be wondering how do we pick these type of stocks. Yes, it requires lot of learning, and it is easy to now say about Adani Power after the 5% up move even in a weak market, but telling it before it is what we call as research, and telling it after is what we call as storytelling. So let us just continue our learning. Watch the special episode which comes to you in this weekend, and Monday we will be back for more learning on easy money. And also on Sunday I will also be giving you one big learning program in Kannada for my Karnataka people. And options, you will have a program which I'll release either tomorrow or on Sunday. For weekend, two videos will come, one in Kannada for my Kannada viewers and one more in English for profitable option series. You'll also get more and more programs on our regular days in easy money, lot of learning, and also latest market updates. I'm sure today RBI policy which I've told you is something which was the highlight of the entire market, which is very important. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching the program, and let me see you all on the weekend with more special programs on profitable option and a special program in Kannada. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.